Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the journey preferences in the Bus Times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Settings section, look for the Journey Preferences button and just click on that. And as you can see, first you can set what you want to travel with. So I don't know, if you only want to travel by bus, coach and tram, then you can just click on the squares next to those that you don't, and it removes the tick, and it only shows the one that you set. Next you can set what you want the application to show you, so the fastest routes, the routes with fewest changes, or routes with least walking. So just click on the circle next to the one that you want to set, and then there are some access options as well, so you can just choose the one that you want, and there are like further preferences, like I only want to walk for a maximum, and then here you can set the minutes, and then you can set your walking speed as well. And you can also tick if you'd rather walk, if it makes your journey quicker. So you can just set all of these and then click on this button at the top of the page on the right to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.